Imagine you are at an amusement park. You're with your friends. You're doing all those roller coaster rides that have always scared you. You're shouting, you're laughing, you're making some great memories. You had a great day there, and now while coming back home, you decide to stop at Walmart to buy a chocolate because your energy levels are down. So you end up buying a chocolate not because of the ingredients or how healthy this chocolate is. You buy it because it's been sold by MrBeast. For ones who do not know who MrBeast is actually the most followed individual on YouTube. Also the most subscribed channel as well, with 412 million subscribers. To tell you how big this number is, you can combine the population of United States, Canada, Ireland, and New Zealand together, and still it would be about 400 million. So that's how big his subscriber base is. So this is not a product, this is not a traditional legacy brand, it's a media brand. Building on this, interestingly, a recent report by Edelman's Trust Barometer shows that we as consumers trust brands more than we trust traditional institutions like government and NGOs. We as consumers trust brands more because we spend about 7 to 8 hours digitally on a daily basis. So naturally, the brands that show up in front of us on our feeds, we connect with them, and therefore it can be logically said that we trust them more because we are emotionally connected with them. This actually also goes and connects back to Self-Congruity Theory of Professor Joseph Soji. He came out with this theory in 1982. What it essentially means is that we as consumers trust those brands that mirror us. Breaking this out, we see our own identities in brands. So it's almost like me living out me, but through a brand. So if it's a creator or an influencer or someone I look up to, it is simply because I see some part of me in them. Let's take Poppy as a brand as an instance. It was developed by Alison Ellsworth in her kitchen. So she started posting these raw footages on TikTok that obviously went viral at some point of time. And recently it's been acquired by Pepsi for almost $2 billion. Similarly, Feastables, the brand by MrBeast, and the chocolate that I was mentioning you earlier that this imaginary person ended up buying. Feastables did $250 million in sales, and in 24, it had $20 million in profit. If you go on MrBeast channel, you will see MrBeast giving out Tesla's cash prizes of over hundreds and hundreds of $1,000s. Obviously, he has the capacity to give out those prizes. But where I'm coming at is this connection that is developing between the followers and these creators, these influencers that are becoming media brands and that we resonate with. In about 18 odd months, MrBeast Feastables was available across Walmart, across 7-Eleven, Kroger, and you name any other grocery store. Similarly, Emma Chamberlain's Chamberlain Coffee as a brand. Now, Emma Chamberlain has about 12.1 million subscribers. Her content is usually about these raw videos and vlogging that she does about her daily life. The extension of her media brand with a coffee brand makes a lot of sense because people connect with her. The self-congruence that I was talking about earlier. Now, her brand did about $20 million in sales in 2023, and it's anticipated to do about $33 million this year. All of this is happening because these platforms reward brands and businesses that behave like people. So if you do this correctly, then 3 things happen. 1, your reach compounds because now you're connecting with an audience that knows you, that trusts you. Second is your unique value proposition. There's something original about you as a character, as a brand that no one else can copy. Number 3, your customer acquisition cost drops. And this drops phenomenally simply because you're connecting with the right audience. There's already a word out. People want to connect with people who look like each other. So it's almost that trust has now exponentially gone into the marketplace, and your data, your information is now reaching to the right people. So the question now is how you can become the next media brand. I will suggest you the following framework. Number 1 is build up a character. So that character can be you as the founder, or someone else in your team who is charismatic in front of the camera and is comfortable. You make them the character and have them consistently be present on the feeds of your audience. Second is this consistency, which I'm talking about. So viral videos don't become viral randomly they become viral because of consistency. So put content consistently, treat your initiative on as an instance on YouTube as a show, not just as another campaign. Third is build up your community. Now, this you may have heard a lot of times. But what I'm coming at is you look for opportunities to form your community. Now, Feastables as an instance turned its audience comments into new flavors. And find out ways how you can form your own community. I hope you liked today's content. It was of some value to you. Please do comment on this video so that I can have your feedback and it can help me to improvise and become better as I move forward. Until we meet next time, keep rising.